Hello beautiful viewers and welcome back to my channel. If you're one of those people that mine airdrops like Blum, Hamster Combat, Dogs, Memefi and the likes, but you find it hard locating these airdrops in your chat section, then this video is for you. In today's video, you're going to learn how to organize the airdrops you mine on Telegram in one place, alright, so you can easily spot them and switch to each of them easily without having to stress yourself. Now, this very issue is the reason a lot of us don't stay consistent in mining these airdrops, because we tend to find it hard locating these airdrops in our chats, especially when we have a lot of chats contacts in our chat section. Now, when we talk about the chat section, we're talking about this section that says all right. A lot of us have joined a lot of groups, and for this reason we find it really hard locating these airdrops in our chat section. So today's video is going to address this very issue. We're going to learn how to solve this very issue, organize your airdrop and place them in one place just like this. Now if I scroll down right here, you see that all these are airdrops and they are in one place. Now, what is responsible for this and how do you really address this very issue? It's simple. What you have to do is to create what we call a Telegram folder. Alright, all this you see here, which is, let me just start from the first, which is unread, personal, free poems, ad posts, airdrop, communities, mining apps and the likes are all folders, and this is because I created them. Okay, so how do you create one? What you just have to do right now is to come over to this three horizontal line at the top left hand corner of your screen. Okay, just click on that. The next place you want to come over to is settings. Click on settings right now. The moment you click on settings, go to chat folders. Right, click on chat folders. Once you click on chat folder, then the next thing you want to do is to create a new folder by clicking on this right here, which says create new folder. Now if I click on this right now, it's going to say I have to subscribe to Telegram Premium because I've reached my folder limit. Now this very account is not on Telegram Premium and I don't intend upgrading this very account right now. For those of us who don't know what Telegram Premium is, it's kind of a premium version of Telegram where you have access to more features. Okay, now, but I'm going to use the folders I've created as an example for this. Now, if you look right here, you see that this folder says airdrops. Okay, now if I click on airdrops, what you have to do to create a new folder is to click on this text field. Now once you click on this text field, I already have the full stop there, so I'm just going to erase this right now. Once you've typed the name of the folder you want to create, okay, let me say you have airdrops. Okay, you have a lot of airdrops and you want to organize them in Telegram. What you're meant to do is to type airdrops. Okay, once you type in the keyword airdrops, you go ahead and click on save at the top right hand corner of your screen, and automatically this would be saved. Now another thing you can do is that once you click on airdrop right now, you can add a chat right here. Okay, you can add a new chat right here, and to do that all you just have to do is click on add chats. Okay, now once you click on add chat, you go to your chat section and pick a chat you want to add. Let me say you want to add this, which says crypto farm eng. Okay, it would be registered in one of your chats right here, but I do not want to add that right now. I don't want to show you how to do that from here. I'm going to show you the easy way to do that. Once you click on this, you can just go ahead and tick this very icon right here to add this very chat, but we're not going to be doing that, so I'm just going to head back right now and show you the easy way to do this. Okay, if you look right here, you're going to see that I have the airdrop section, and that's because I created a chat for all the airdrops I mine on Telegram. Now, what is an easy way to add these airdrops to this folder which says airdrop? Now, all you have to do is to scroll down to the far left, which says all. By default, if you join any airdrop on Telegram, it's going to appear here, which is the all section, which is also known as your chat section, because this is where you see the contacts you communicate with, unless you add the unread section and the personal to personalize your chats. Okay, so if I click on all right now, we are going to appear here, which would house all our chats. Now, how do you add this to the airdrop section easily? Now let's scroll down right here. Let me just pick one of the airdrops I mine. Okay, let me just look for one and add this to the airdrop section. Now I'm going to be using Notgram for the purpose of this video. Okay, this is Notgram right here. Now if I scroll down, scroll back to the airdrop section and click on that, you see that I do not have Notgram here. Okay, there is no Notgram here, but if I come back to the all section right now and scroll back down, you're going to see notgram. You're going to see notgram right here, which is this. Now, how do I add this to the airdrops folder? It's simple. All you have to do is to click and hold this, then you go ahead and click this very three dotted icon at the top right corner of your screen, then click on add to folder. Okay, this is like the fastest way to add this to folder. Mind you, you can also select multiple chats or mini apps you want to add to that very folder. So let me click that again and click on add to folder. Now once you click on add to folder, you're going to be asked to select the folder you want to add this to. Let me just remove these two. Okay, click on add to folder again. You're going to be asked to select the folder you want to add this to. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on airdrop right now. Okay, there are other folders right here, but I'm going to click on airdrops, and automatically notgram added to airdrops. Now let's scroll up, let's scroll to the airdrop section right here and click on that to see if notgram has been added, and voila, notgram has been added to the airdrop section. Okay, you can also do this for the communities, because if I click on communities right now, which is this, you see that these are the communities of these very airdrops I joined. It's not good to mix up the community and airdrops in one place. So while you are creating a folder for the airdrops, also create a new folder for communities. And just like I told you before, all you have to do is to click on this three horizontal line at the top left hand corner of your screen, click on settings, then click on chat folders. Once you click on chat folders, you go ahead and click on create a new folder. You'll be asked to type in the name of the folder you want to create in the text field. Okay, so you just type that in and click on the save option at the top right hand corner of your screen, and you'll be good to go. You have created a new folder, as easy as ABC. Okay, create a folder for airdrops and create a folder for communities so that your airdrops would be organized. This is one advice I'm giving to you right now. So as you can see, this is it, guys. This is really simple. Now another thing you need to know is that I've compiled a list of the top 10 airdrops I believe have the best potential. Okay, airdrops I believe will do well, and for you to join these airdrops, you can use the link in the description. I've posted the links down below the description. Just click on see more below this video and you see the list of 10 airdrops I believe have the best potential. Make sure you join those airdrops, because if you join those airdrops, there is high possibility that you can make something out of it, and if it's not successful, then we're doing fine. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor and I won't advise you to invest your money in any of them. If you intend to, please make sure you do your due diligence, make sure you do your research, consult your financial experts before you make any informed decision. Okay, once you join those airdrops, you go ahead and organize them in the airdrops folder just like I have taught you, and you'll be good to go. By so doing, if you intend to turn this on or claim the airdrops you have mined for the day, it will be easy. You just claim them one after the other. And if you intend to, check the community to see updates, because most of these airdrops will ask you to join their community. It's part of the tax. You go ahead and click on community, which is right here, and you check the community updates one by one to see what they have in store. So this is the video I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. If you have any question at all, leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out whenever I drop cool updates like this. More importantly, it's best to join our social media handles, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, so you stay more updated. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe.